This video is about the solution of facing voice mismatch after recording a video or blurred or bad quality video. Please turn on English CC English subtitles for English users. Look, I have a memory card, so it's of a Samsung. Maybe it's copy of Samsung. So I bought in 1000, and these companies don't make a good quality memory card no matter where from you buy it, because you have set your destination to the uh, so the solution is go into storage, type in setting menu, type storage, and then go into SD card, and then you will see that screen recording for saving in SD card is on. Please turn it off, because memory cards don't process the high quality videos recordings. So the solution is that you record videos destination recording video destination should be in the phone memory. Free up your phone memory and move videos from your phone memory to SD card later. Also, I have made a video about phone storage after deleting data not showing, not phone storage not increasing even after deleting the data. I have uploaded a complete video. You can see in the playlist or in I button above. I also told how to delete your data or make space in your phone memory. And please subscribe and like our video, subscribe our channel. And let me tell, next topic should be